Question. CD and GH are respectively the bisectors of angle ACB and angle EGF such that D and H lie on sides AB and FE of triangle ABC and triangle EFG respectively. CD is bisector of angle C and GH is bisector of angle G of triangle ABC and EFG. Point D lies on side AB and point H lies on side EF. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG, triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG, then so that number 1 CD upon GH is equal to AC upon FG. CD upon GH equal to AC, AC upon FG, FG, AC upon FG. Number 2, triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGE. Triangle DCB, lower triangle, is similar to triangle HGE, HGE, upper triangle. Number 3, triangle DCA, triangle DCA, upper triangle of this, is similar to triangle HGF, HGF, lower triangle. Given CD and GH are, यहाँ से लेकर के यहाँ तक लिखना है रेस्पेक्टिवली तक. टू प्रूव नंबर 1, 2 and 3 of question. Proof. Since a triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG, therefore correspondence are A is corresponding to vertex F, B is corresponding to vertex E, and C is corresponding to vertex G, and corresponding angles are equal. Angle A is equal to angle F. This angle is equal to this angle F. Angle A is equal to angle F. Angle B is equal to angle E. And angle C is equal to angle G. Angle C, this whole angle, is equal to angle G, this whole angle. Or dividing by 2, angle half angle C is equal to half angle G. Since CD is bisector of angle C, therefore these two angles are equal. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Therefore angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Since GH is bisector of angle G, therefore these two angles are equal. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4. From 1, 2 and 3, C is angle to angle G and their half are also equal. Therefore from 1, 2 and 3, angle 1 is equal to angle 2 is equal to angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Now we will prove third part first. In triangle DCA and HGF, since DCA upper triangle and triangle HGF lower triangle, upper triangle and lower triangle, angle A is equal to angle F from 1. Number 2, angle 2 is equal to angle 3 from 4. Therefore, these two triangles are similar by AA similarity criteria. By AA similarity criteria. Third part proved. Now, first part. These two triangles are similar, therefore their corresponding sides are proportional. Therefore, CD of this triangle upon its corresponding side means sides opposite to equal angles. CD is side opposite to angle A and angle A is equal to angle F and opposite side is GH equal to AC side of first triangle upon AC is side opposite to this angle, remaining angle. In lower triangle, remaining angle is this angle, its opposite side is FG equal. Proved. First part proved. Second part. In triangle TCB and triangle HGE, since DCB lower triangle and HGE upper triangle, lower triangle and upper triangle. Number 1, angle B is equal to angle E from 1. And angle 1 is equal to angle 4 from 4. Therefore, these two triangles are similar by AA similarity criteria. Second part is proved. First part is here proved and third part is proved here. Question. In figure, A is point on side CB. E is point on side CB. Produced. CB के आगे बढ़े हुए भाग पर point E है. Of an isosceles triangle ABC. ABC is isosceles triangle. AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. AB and AC are equal. If AD is perpendicular to BC, if AD is perpendicular to BC and EF is perpendicular to AC, EF is perpendicular to AC, prove that triangle ABD is similar to triangle ECF. Triangle ABD triangle is similar to triangle ECF. Given is a point on side CB. यहाँ तक EF is perpendicular to AC. To prove triangle ABD is similar to triangle ECF. Proof. In triangle ABD and triangle ECF, since this angle is equal to this angle, each 90 degree, angle ADB equal to angle this angle EFC is 90. And angle B of first triangle ABD is equal to angle C of second triangle, because they are angles opposite to equal sides. Angle B is equal to angle C. Therefore, these two triangles are similar by AA similarity criteria. Proved.